Hey everyone, Jessica here and welcome back to another thrifting video. My first stop today is the Restore. I have been wanting to replace the light fixture over my dining room table for a while now, so I have been popping into the Restore when I'm in the area to quickly look to see what they have. They have a pretty good selection of used light fixtures. They also have a 2-week return policy, so if I bought one of these and it didn't work, I could bring it back for a full refund. Unfortunately, I did not find one that I liked today. I would like to find one secondhand because these are pretty expensive if you buy them brand new. And let me know down in the comments section what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I always love reading everybody's answers. So I almost left the Restore empty-handed until I spotted these beautiful green glasses on one of the bottom shelves. There were 3 of them. They were $1 and the orange tagged items were 60% off. I did purchase these and I got all 3 of them for like $1.30. And I'll also show you everything else that I purchased at the end of the video. So my second stop for the day was a thrift store that I have not been into for several months now. It's called the Guardian Angel Thrift Store. They have pretty good vintage and antique items here, so I always like to pop in to see if I can find anything interesting. One thing that I really like about this thrift store is most of their glassware pieces are buy one get one free unless they're otherwise marked. So I have been coming across a lot of these Metlock's Poppy Trail pieces. I actually purchased a large penguin cookie jar not too long ago, as well as a few rooster bowls, also made by them. I thought these pieces were cute, but I really didn't like the pattern around the edge, so I did leave these behind. Like I mentioned earlier, this thrift store has a great selection of vintage and antique items, and I like how they keep these items kind of separate from the regular thrift store items. That way, if you're looking for vintage and antique items, you can quickly find them in one area of the store. So when I saw these 2 thermoses today, it took me back to elementary school. I remember having one of these in my lunchbox when I was a kid. So it was really fun to see these here at the thrift store today. So my last stop for today's thrifting trip is Goodwill. I just wanted to quickly pop into here to see if I could find anything that's useful or anything I can decorate my hutch with. Like I mentioned earlier, I will show you everything that I purchased on today's trip at the end of the video, and I'll also show you how I ended up using it in my home. I also just quickly wanted to say happy birthday to one of my subscribers. She's also a friend of mine. Her name is Michelle. Happy birthday, Michelle. I hope you had a great birthday, and I hope you were able to go out and go thrifting and find yourself some nice goodies as well. I also just wanted to take a minute to thank everybody else that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me that you guys watch my videos, and I just wanted to quickly mention that as well. I came across this really unique squirrel mug. It was vintage. It had a little squirrel on the side and it said Canada on the bottom. So leave me a comment down below if you are from Canada and you are watching right now. So I always like to check out the book section before I leave Goodwill, and I came across this book right here. I thought it was really, really cool, so I'll do my best to try to film it and show you guys what it does. I really should have got this for my little niece. She'll be 3 in May, and she probably would have loved this, so I might go back to see if it's still there. Probably not, but I'll go back and check anyway. I also like to check out the furniture when I go thrifting. I haven't really seen a lot of great pieces lately, but I did come across this chair right here and I thought it was a pretty good deal. It was only $9.99. It was solid wood and it would have been great with a new coat of stain on it. So now I'm going to show you everything that I purchased today and how I used it in my home. I did purchase the 3 vintage green glasses from the Restore. They were 60% off, so I got all 3 of them for $1.30. I also purchased the 2 lonely green glasses from the second thrift store. They were 79 cents each, but they were buy one get one free, so I got both of them for 79 cents. So I got these to put inside of my hutch. I had some empty spaces that I wanted to fill in, so I thought they would be great pieces to add in to what I already had. I have 2 out of the 3 green glasses right next to a picture that I thrifted not too long ago. I thought they looked great grouped together in this section. And then below that, I have one of the light green glasses on top of the stack of books here with some other vintage glasses that I also thrifted. And then on the other side here, I have the other 2 green glasses grouped together on the other stack of books right here to kind of balance out the other side. And the last item that I purchased was also from the second thrift store. It was this acrylic organizer right here. And I think this is for bathroom items, but I'm going to use it in my daughter Hannah's room on her desk to organize some of her supplies. We actually went to IKEA not too long ago and bought her a new desk. I will link that video up in the top of the screen in case you missed it. So I thought this piece would be great to add to her desk to organize some of her pens and random supplies. So that is everything that I found on today's thrifting trip. I hope this video inspired you to go out and go thrifting. You never know what you're going to find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.